how to turn off Talkback on your Oppo A16 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is, okay, press and hold the volume up and volume down to remove the Talkback. Okay, that's it. We have successfully removed the Talkback on your Oppo A16 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.